In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a website as a source in Google Notebook LM. By the end, you'll know exactly how to bring a web page into your notebook so you can ask questions, get summaries, and build insights faster. Start by opening the exact web page you want to use. This could be a blog article, a documentation page, or a news site. Highlight and copy the full URL from your browser's address bar. Make sure you've got the complete link, including the HTTP or HTTPS at the start. It helps to choose a page that's publicly accessible. Pages behind logins, paywalls, or heavy pop-ups may not process correctly. If you're working from a site's homepage, consider clicking into the specific article you care about so your source is as focused as possible. Next, head over to NotebookLM. Open the notebook where you want to keep this source, or create a new one if you're starting fresh. If you're creating a new notebook, give it a clear, memorable name so you can find it later. Once you're inside the notebook, look to the left panel where your sources live. Click the Add Source button in that left panel. This opens the options for what kind of source you want to add. Choose the link option, then paste the website URL you copied earlier. Before you confirm, quickly check that there aren't any extra spaces at the beginning or end of the link. After you submit the link, NotebookLM will begin processing. You'll see a status indicator that says processing while it reads the page and extracts the text content. The timing depends on the length and complexity of the page, so give it a moment. Try not to navigate away until the status updates. If the site is very long or uses dynamic content, it might take a bit longer. When processing finishes, confirm everything looks right in the Sources panel. You should see the website listed there with no errors. If something doesn't appear or you see an error, double-check that the link opens normally in your browser, then try pasting it again. Occasionally, refreshing the notebook helps. Now you're ready to start asking questions. Begin with something simple like, summarize this web page. From there, you can refine your prompts based on what you need, whether that's a high-level overview or specific details. That's all it takes to add a website as a source in NotebookLM and start turning web pages into useful, organized knowledge.